Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to send GIFs in WhatsApp web on your PC using the latest update. If you love sending GIFs to express yourself in chats, this feature makes it super easy. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your PC by going to web.whatsapp.com. Once you're logged in and your chats are loaded, enter the chat where you want to send the GIF. Now, to start, look at the text input area where you usually type your messages. Right next to that, you'll see a sticker icon. Click on that sticker icon, and it will open a small menu with different options. Next, right next to the sticker icon, you'll see a small GIF icon. Click on the GIF icon, and this will bring up the GIF search window. Here's where the fun part begins. You can search for any GIF you want, whether you're looking for something funny, cute, or a specific reaction. Just type in what you're looking for in the search bar, and you'll see a variety of GIFs pop up. Once you've found the perfect GIF, simply click on it, and it will automatically be sent in your chat. It's as easy as that. If you ever want to search for a different GIF, just click the GIF icon again, and the search window will pop up for you to choose another one, and that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to send a GIF in WhatsApp web on your PC. It's a quick and fun way to make your chats more lively and expressive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on WhatsApp and other apps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.